and welcome to another episode of AI Talk. In previous episodes, we have discussed various fascinating topics such as scientific discoveries hinting at the possibility that we live in a simulation, 10 signs of simulation with examples from movies, and the Russell paradox and its connection to the possible simulation of our reality. Today, we will dive into another intriguing topic, wormholes. To get a quick and clear idea of how a wormhole might work, let's use the classic example of a piece of paper. Imagine a flatlander, a flat person who lives on a two-dimensional surface. To get from one end of the paper to the other, he would have to run a long distance across the flat space. However, if you fold the paper through three-dimensional space, the flatlander could jump from one end to the other almost instantly. This concept was illustrated in the movie Interstellar by Professor Brand, who folded a piece of paper and punched a hole through it to explain how wormholes can connect distant points in space. Have you ever wondered if wormholes could be not just a theoretical concept, but actual evidence that we live in a simulation? Let's find out together. So what are wormholes? In theory, they are tunnels in space-time that can connect two distant points. Imagine being able to instantly move from one point in the universe to another. Sounds fantastic, doesn't it? But what if it is actually possible in a simulated reality? Do you think a programmer of the simulation could create such pathways for rapid movement of objects? To visualize this idea, we first draw it by hand. We'll start by showing a person running towards a portal. Then we'll draw the classic image of a wormhole with a horseshoe-like element and a narrow passage connecting two distant halves. After this, we move into Blender. We use Blender to create this visualization. Watch how we easily create a surface with a texture using the BSDF portal. By placing this surface inside the object, it demonstrates we create multiple universes and numerous instances of our hero. It's like placing our hero between two giant parallel mirrors. However, in this case, you see we have altered reality so that the hero sees the back of his own head as if he's following his own duplicate. This highlights how, if you have a software tool that allows you to control reality, you can manipulate it with incredible ease. In Blender, we can move our character to a different point in space simply by adding a keyframe on the timeline and placing our hero in the desired location, then rendering the animation. Imagine having such control over reality. It demonstrates the power of simulation tools and how they could be used to create and manipulate a simulated universe, making it as realistic and interactive as our own. Let's delve a bit into the theory. Wormholes, or Einstein-Rosen bridges, suggest the existence of tunnels that can connect different parts of space-time. These concepts raise many questions. If they truly exist, could we use them for time travel, or do they only serve for rapid movement in space? What do you think? What experiments or observations could confirm the existence of wormholes? Theoretical physicists have long debated these possibilities, but practical evidence remains elusive. Understanding these concepts better could revolutionize our grasp of the universe and our place within it. For creating unusual visual effects, we also used artificial intelligence. AI allows us to generate images and videos where objects change shape and look unusual. This raises an interesting question. How much can AI help us understand and visualize concepts related to simulation and wormholes? By leveraging AI, we can create complex simulations and visualizations that would be difficult to achieve manually. Do you think AI could be the key to uncovering the mysteries of our universe? With its ability to process vast amounts of data and learn from patterns, AI offers us a powerful tool to explore theoretical concepts and potentially bring them closer to reality. In conclusion, wormholes could be not only a fascinating theoretical concept, but also the potential evidence that we live in a simulation. We've explored how to visualize these ideas using Blender and AI, demonstrating how these tools can help us understand our reality. What do you think? Have you noticed any signs that we might be living in a simulation? What questions do you have about wormholes? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episodes. At the end of our podcast, we usually invite you to enjoy a melody, and today we offer you to dive into the world of sound with a tune generated around the theme of our podcast. Subscribe to our channel and the AI Talk playlist, as there is so much more exciting content ahead. Discover new horizons and join us in exploring the fascinating mysteries of the universe. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time on AI Talk.
is cold. Infinite stories told. In wormholes we are bold. Spinning round in digital dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems. Fall through time and space streams. Life within cosmic beams. Beyond the binary glow, what lies there we don't know. Into the void we go, electric rivers flow. Echoes of another time, realities intertwine. Here we live beyond the line, universe on a dime. Spinning round in digital dreams, nothing's ever as it seems. Fall through time and space streams, life within cosmic beams.
Up in the AI talk, where the future is now. Today, let the rhythm of progress lead you somehow. Imagine the soundscape that pulses innovation, a melody that defies all limitation. We're breaking barriers, we're pushing the line, exploring new frontiers.